Hey there! Are you tired of your Xiaomi phone's system app updater constantly pausing downloads? No worries, I've got you covered. Today I'm going to walk you through some simple fixes for this annoying issue. Let's dive right in. Solution 1. Tweak updater settings. First things first, let's head over to your phone settings app. Now tap on the three-dot icon and choose Settings from the menu. Next, find and tap on Auto Updates and select Update using Wi-Fi and mobile data. After that, give it a quick check to see if the problem is resolved. Solution 2. Clear cache and data. Again, open up your phone settings. Scroll down a bit and tap on Apps. Then select Manage Apps. Hit the three-dot icon and choose Show All Apps. In the search bar, type Updater. Select System App Updater from the results. Tap on Clear Data, then choose Clear Cache from the menu. Hit OK and then clear all data, followed by OK. Lastly, give your phone a restart and see if the issue persists. Solution 3. Airplane Mode Shuffle. Swipe down from the right side of your screen. Toggle on airplane mode from the quick settings. Wait for 30 seconds, then toggle it off. Check to see if that did the trick. Solution 4. Factory Reset. Head back into your phone settings. Tap on About Phone. Scroll down a bit and select Factory Reset. Tap on Erase All Data. If you have a password or PIN, enter it now. Tap Next, then Factory Reset and follow the on-screen instructions. Once done, the issue should be resolved. And there you have it! Your system app updater should be behaving itself now. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button. Questions? Drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you ASAP. Thanks for tuning in.